Baseball-size hail, winds near 70 miles per hour, and some strong tornadoes not out of the question. So I don't want you to be scared. I want you to be prepared for Saturday. It does look like it's going to get nasty. I do want to take you down to Irene. Look at her. Huge hurricane moving across the eastern seaboard. Going to make landfall tomorrow night in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. I'm live outside our 27 News studio, and we're looking at some fresh snow we got here overnight. Here at the TV station, we got about, you're already seeing outer bands of really heavy rain moving through Baltimore, Washington, D.C., New York City. The gustiest winds centered around the center of the storm, and those will move ashore late tonight into tomorrow morning. Today, though, warm and sunny, a zippity-doo-dah day, 84 for your high. But let me take you out to western Kansas. Showers and thunderstorms here are ongoing, and they're starting to push into north central Kansas. Now a severe thunderstorm watch has just been issued for some of our western communities. And then I was seeing these people. Oh, what is this?
Tom, Hillary and your friends at the station would like to wish you a very happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Kansas First News Morning meteorologist Tom Hagen surprised Topeka High junior Brett Winkler with a visit today. Winkler's a huge fan of Tom's and watches him every morning.
Highest bidder got to take me on a hot air balloon ride.
And you survived the ride. You did not lean over too far on the edge.
No, it was super fun. We did this yesterday morning at about 7:30. We headed
Best
out.
weather conditions, though.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And let's take a look at some of these pictures. There's me and Shelly Carr. Good morning and happy Friday. We are tracking wet weather this morning. Let's jump over to Max Track and pinpoint where we have some decent downpours. No severe weather is anticipated today, just some light to moderate rain, and you know that's typical for April. We'll take the moisture. Here in Shawnee County, at least on the southeast side, seeing some light to moderate rain pulling out of Auburn through Pauline and Forbes Field, heading into Barryton, and this is going to truck towards Perry and Lecompton. Another nice little shower just to the east now of Oskaloosa, heading through McLouth into Leavenworth County. A little bit of rain activity near Nortonville. And then down south here in Coffee County, we're seeing some good rains near Burlington and Leroy, heading up towards Waverly. This is tracking across I-35 right in to Williamsburg. Again, no severe weather. Maybe you heard a couple rumbles of thunder overnight. Those heavy downpours are starting to depart northeast Kansas, drifting into Missouri. We see a break in the rain towards Manhattan and Junction City currently, but that's not going to last long. There are more showers developing out here towards Dodge City and Hayes and Hill City. This will all overspread the area late this morning into the afternoon. So throughout the day, you're going to want the umbrella. Hit and miss rain likely. 59 degrees for your high, so it will be a little cool today. Now Saturday, 68. Do not be put off by a cloudy start Saturday. Those clouds should break up in the afternoon, becoming sunny. It should be a beautiful Saturday evening. And then look at your Sunday. 80 degrees, lots of sunshine, a zippity-doo-dah Sunday. Get out and enjoy. Currently in Topeka, it is 51 degrees, mild with showers. You have to remember, yesterday morning, we got down to 32 degrees. That was a new record low. This morning, a much warmer and more mild start. It's 49 in Holton, 54 in Hiawatha. Manhattan, you're at 53, and Emporia, 49. As I mentioned, everybody a good 10 to nearly 25 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday at this time. Across the Midwest, here's this system moving through, giving us the wet weather today. There's a second system way up here in the Gulf of Alaska that we're going to track into the area middle of next week. That guy could give us another round of some stronger storms and a significant cool down. Highs by Thursday next week could be back in the 50s. Your forecast for today, 59 degrees with scattered showers, kind of gray and damp today. Tonight, if you do have plans for Friday night fun, maybe dodging some downpours, showers will be coming to an end after midnight, 46 for the low. Here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, becoming sunny, 68, and then a string of 80-degree days. Sunday, 80, Monday, 80, and Tuesday, 80 degrees. Although when you look at Tuesday and Wednesday, you do see some scattered showers and storms back in the forecast. That's that next system tracking into the area. And look at how temperatures move the wrong direction. Thursday's high only 58.
K-State football hits the field tomorrow for the Wildcat spring game.
And there's a new king of the tennis court in Topeka. Here's Alex.
Kansas First News meteorologist Tom Hagen caught up with the Weather Service to find out more about the twister and why no tornado warning was issued for Wabaunsee County.
Based on the damage they see to homes, to trees, to structures, the National Weather Service rates the Harveyville tornado on the enhanced Fujita scale.
From what we've seen, it looks like an EF2 tornado on a scale of 0 to 5, with winds 125 to about 130 miles per hour.
But many wonder, how can a tornado that strong come with no tornado warning? Chad Ahmed, the warning coordination meteorologist, explains.
It was likely on the ground for 2 or 3 minutes, moving at 60 miles an hour. And so that's what makes these so difficult to spot, for people to see, and as a result also to warn for. And so this was a small, about 100-yard wide tornado that formed, and it was on the ground for about 2 or 3 minutes. And there are certain circumstances where the tornado is moving so fast, it develops so rapidly and dissipates so quickly that by the time we get the next radar scan, what existed is gone. He
urges Kansans to remember to take a severe thunderstorm warning seriously, especially under a tornado watch, because sometimes, like we've seen in Harveyville, they can produce a quick but powerful twister.